I'm being a good girl because you know what? I'm behind 1 week for the last week in May. I could have had that money and gone and spent it, and I thought, no, I'm not doing it. I'm going to be accountable to my buddies here, my budgeting buddies, because you guys have been really, really good, supporting me and encouraging me, inspiring me. And I thought, I am not letting that little voice get into my head, go spend it, go spend it. Nope, that's why I'm here, finishing it off. Don't matter if I'm a week behind, at least I've come on to show you that I have not spent it and I've been a good girl. Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I'm still running behind because I haven't been in the right headspace at times, so I just thought that I would just keep a low profile, get my headspace back together, and then start again. So I'm coming on to do the last week in May savings challenges. I have changed up my dice jar. I've put them in here, and I've also found this around the house, this coin jar. It's a bunny. It's really for Easter, but I'm happy with it. I like it. I just thought I'd use that. I've got a couple of new challenges as well. Let's get underway with it. As usual, £140 here, nothing extra, but it's okay. I mean, after my holiday, I came back and I just wanted to holiday some more. So I just holidayed at home for my mental health. I've been promising to do a little slideshow of bits and pieces of my Barcelona trip. But bear with me, please. I will. I'll get it done. I'll get it done. I went off to see Terri Savelle Foy. She's a motivational speaker. That was absolutely fantastic.
But when you discover God's plan, that's the icing on the cake, right? Well, I want y'all to know, seriously, I'm so overwhelmed. I started crying up there just watching you worship God. So I wanted to ask, how many of you are from outside of the UK? Would you stand up? From the United States of America. How many of you are from the UK? So I want to tell y'all, first of all, why I'm having icing and blessing first as far as going public. I love the British ladies so much. I mean, they are the sweetest, most generous people. Every time I leave England, they load me up with tea and scone and this. First of all, I love your funny accents. It's hilarious. I love your tea and scone. I mean, that cottage cream, I go nuts over it.
She was amazing, really, really was. I have been following her for many, many years. My mental health is, I don't want to go on about my mental space, but sometimes it just captures me and it's like I can't get out of it. And she has been, you know, a really good inspiration over the years for me. So that was nice to see her. She came all the way to London with her crew and everything. Oh, it was amazing. So there's £140 here, £20 in coins. So that's 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. I will start with my luck of the draw. Some of the challenges are not here anymore. They're finished or I've ended them. And I'm feeling rather good about it all. Right, we've only got a few more cards left. So I'll just attempt to shuffle them as best as I possibly can. And let's pick a card. Middle. That's 9 of spades, so we'll put £10 for that. I'll get the marker out. So that's a spade. And this goes back into the wallet because we're not going to use it again. Then I've got get to 100. It's more than 100 though. It's more than 100. So I'm going to put 5 in today. I'm going to leave it all up to 5. I was going to put some 10s. But I think I'm going to just leave it all 5s now. So I'll put all the 5s in when I finished this video. I'll just fill in the 5s in the blank spaces. Then I have When Pigs Fly. And also 5 Little Pigs. These were a thank you from My Money Matters, Esther. She's got some great stuff in her Etsy shop. You must pop over and have a look. So each pig is £5. So I'm putting £5 in today. And I'll just colour that in. And the next one is 5 Little Pigs. And you've got this little pig went to market, this little pig stayed at home, this little pig had roast beef, this little pig had none, and this little pig went wee all the way home. That is such a childhood nursery rhyme. Oh dear. So I'm going to put £5 because it does go up in denominations 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. So I'm going to put £5 in today. And I'm using the same wallet, so I'm going to take the 2 5s out and put a 10 in. And I'll just mark that off. Lovely. And then, yay! Roll the dice, double the savings challenge. One of my favourites. I like it because it's a bit of fun. Just to see what the dice will give me. I'm going to do 1 dice and I'm going to do a blue today. So let's see what we can do. If I get a 6, then I will just play once. But if I don't get a 6, I will carry on 3 times. So we've got £6 here. I'm going to put 6 in the kitty. And then we'll roll again. That's 4. So that's £8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's do a 6 and just do the 20, please. Come on, let's do it. Let's do it. 3, so that's £6. So that's 2, 4, 6, £20 gone. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? So I've got all that saved. Whole £20 saved. Lovely. So that one's done, and I've got no rollover from last week. Let me get the May finished and I'll feel so much better. I'll get my first week of June done this week, so I'll be up to date with that. I'm just going to do the 3 for £15 and then I will speed it up to colour it in. There we go. I'm getting better at my colouring. So that's £15 and this is finished, and this normally goes at the back here. I don't know what I'm doing with this money. I've got a women's retreat that I'm going off to in August. I'm really looking forward to that, so maybe some of this money, you know, will see me through. I'll just put that there for a minute, and then let's go to Roll and Strike. Let's do a green. This ruins me, it does. It really does ruin me. Roll and Strike. 4. Okay. 1. 4. That's it, I'm done. That's 11, 12, 13, 16 £16. That is not good. That's not good. It's not good. Okay, I'm going to take £1 out of my double the savings challenges. Not good. But hey ho, I've saved quite a fair amount. I think that's why I don't want to start shut the boxes yet, because this hasn't been on my side, and I'm going to say a prayer before I start that shut the box. I really am, because I don't want it to take all my money, because I really want to share it amongst my other envelopes. That's the only problem. If it takes all the money, then I have nothing left to share amongst the other envelopes. So I'm really hoping that it's going to be good to me, that shut the box. Okay, that one's done. And Roll and Strike goes into... I'll just put the Roll and Strike over here. But have I got an envelope? I have got an envelope for Roll and Strike, haven't I? Roll and Strike. Where's the envelope for Roll and Strike? I'm confused now. It was in here, but I changed it all up. Okay, let me put it in the rollover for now, and then I will get it sorted out. So that was for the Roll and Strike, and I'll remember. I will. And then I'll set up June. I will leave the save 2023 in 2023 for a hot minute until I've done this one. This one scares me as well, the Knockout 9. Oh! Right, I'm going to put £5 in for this. So let's see, what have we got? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Oh, I've got £60 again, 3 weeks running. Okay, well that is that, my darling dears, and I will see you back very, very soon. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Many, many thanks. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.